Hello, this is Christian. I just finished my morning trading and want to show you my trades. I did 4 trades this morning. The first trade, I have a winner with the one contract and get stopped out with a couple of points in profit with the other 2 contracts. The second trade was the complete winner. For those of you who are new, I traded always with 3 contracts with profit targets from 10, 15, and 20 points, and always a stop loss at every contract from 10 points or 20 ticks, and put the stop loss after the trade runs in profit on the trailing stop, but this I will show you later. The third contract was a complete loser, so get stopped out with every 3 contracts, and then the last trade was a winner with every 3 contracts. So let's take a look at the trades. So you see here on the left hand side a 5-minute chart, and this is this morning, and you see everything is green. We have green bar printings, green indicators on the 5-minute, and that's why we're searching on the 1-minute entry point in long direction. And let's take a look at it at the morning here. You see on the 5-minute everything is green, and on the 1-minute we start up with green bars, green indicators, come down a little bit, and then jumped up again, and we entered the trade just over that high here, so at the level from 7,228.5 I entered the trade in long direction with 3 contracts, and the trade runs very nice in my direction, and I just put my stop loss just under that green dotted line here. This is the trailing stop, and I get the first target with 10 points in profit here. That was the highest point. A little bit luck that I get a fill here, but I get it, and get the first 10 points profit. And I was stopped out with the other 2 contracts here at the trailing stop at 7,233. Means out of this trade with 3 contracts about 20 points. Then the market goes down, and this is no system entry. That's why I didn't trade it, because at that time here we were not red on the 5-minute. The 5-minute is still green, and that's why I didn't enter the trade. But for those of you who do counter trend trades, you will get an entry right here. So the market comes down up a little bit and comes down under that low out of this time zone. Means you will have an entry here about 23, 24, whatever in this area, and have the possibility of 10, 15 points profit. But yeah, I didn't trade it because we have here on the 5-minute no clear entry signal. On the 5-minute you see from that point here, 9:50 Middle European time, everything went red, and that's why we're searching on the 1-minute for another short trade. And for this we're looking here on the 1-minute and on this lowest point in this time zone. So the market runs sideways. You see it on the 1-minute and the 5-minute. The 5-minute is complete red, so we can just place our order under that point here. I do it a little bit too high. Normally the best point will about 7,209, 9.5 in this area. I don't know, I placed it at 7,210.5, and after everything becomes red again, we go to our low here, and I enter the trade at 7,210.5 with 3 contracts and hit the 3 profit targets of 10, 15 and 20 points pretty fast. So pretty nice winner from about 45 points. And after this, you see on the 5 minutes still everything is red, and we get a little retracement here and comes down, and this is always yeah, always hard, but we go through our low here. I place the order under that low here and enter the trade at 7,185.5 with 3 contracts, and just after we enter the trade, we go about 2 or 3 points in our direction, and the market bounced back, and I get stopped out with every 3 contracts. So all about 30 points lose out of this trade. Only a couple of minutes, but yeah, it was a system entry, and need to take it. And sometimes the market runs down, and so yeah, 30 points loser out of this trade. So yeah, but we don't care about it. We're searching for our next entry, and see the market goes sideways. We are on the 5 minutes still. Everything is red, and so we just look for a short entry. But yeah, nothing to do for us. The market, you see it here on the 1 minute, runs complete sideways, and we get bar printings from red to green and back to red, and in a little pretty small range. And so we're waiting for another clear signal, and we get it here. This was pretty fast, but possible to take out of this sideways market. Normally you need to look at the range, so over that point here and under that point here, we're searching for an entry. And here we see we went out of the range and go a little bit higher, but the 5 minute didn't become green, so we're just waiting for the first period finished here, green, and the second period starts printing green also, and that's why we jumped here in the trade, and at 7,203.5, and then it was pretty fast again, and we hit our first and second profit target immediately, and after this the third over here. So it is no problem if you enter here 1 or 2 points later, or at that point here a little bit earlier. You have enough room to get a couple of points. And for those of you who traded with a runner contract, yeah, you were able to get out of this wave about 20 points more than me here. So 20 points, yeah, about 20 points more. So yeah, but we get three winners out of this trade. So another 45 points, and yeah, at that moment nothing to trade. So we just waiting for the next entry point, and all in all, you see these 4 trades out of the morning. Out of the first, about 20 points, then 45 points, then a 30-point loser, and another 45 points. So it's about 75 points out of the market this morning. This is pretty good, and hopefully we get this afternoon some other good possibilities for nice trades. And I wish you good trading. Hear you soon. Bye bye.